Good morning to all of you, my dear respected students. So I think so. I hope that you all are very much excited for this class and you are supposed to do things very, very, very nicely here. So, okay. So what we can do today, what we are going to do, we are just going to integrate things. Sir, what is the meaning of integration? Integrate means that as we all know that we all are responsible to others, we are dependent on others, and others are also dependent on us. So it means when we talk about different subjects, so all the subjects are integrated with each other. It means if we are supposed to discuss English, same time we can also do it with a computer as well. So how we are going to elaborate this thing? So kindly concentrate first of all, because people are saying that you want to do the revision. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So, okay, open this page and begin with the revision. But I have never told this thing that we can do the revision with this traditional kind of thinking. So we just elaborate in a very important way here. Kindly open page number 21. मेरे बच्चों जल्दी से मजा आ जाएगा सब लोगों को. Okay, what we can do here, we just open a page number, here it is, 21, my dear respected student, and it says, what it says, kindly consider here, and then we can do and elaborate something with you. It says, open any previous created document in Word 2013 and follow the instruction given below. Sir, you have any previous document with you? No, beta, but I requested one of your teacher. So after viewing that document, can you please type in a chat box that to which subject they belong? Okay, I'm just going to open that. I'm just going to open that document. Okay, now kindly concentrate on the screen. Kindly concentrate on the screen and type in a chat box that that have you seen this somewhere? Arey wow, Shreyan is typing English. Very good. Many students are typing, yes, sir, I have seen this, and this is a part of English. It means now today, what we are going to do here, we are just going to integrate things with a computer and with English. We are just going to integrate. Thank you very much. Can you please tell me that this is a part of BioSketch? I think so. I think so that this is a part of BioSketch here. Okay. So all have open page number 21. So what we are begin with, what we are supposed to begin with here, and now with the help of that we can revise the content here. So this is the text. How we can make it very attractive and very good as per the information which is there on page number 21. So what we can do, first of all, my dear respected students, it says point number 1, heading is of 20 points. So what we can do, this is a heading, that is a BioSketch. What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to select this and move towards a font size, and we can simply click and select the size that will be 20. So this is the font size, what we have learned here, and we can increase the size as a 20. मेरे बच्चों को जिनको मेरी बात समझ आती जाएगी वो यस 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 करते जाना, जिनको नहीं आएगी वो जो मर्जी बोल सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो ओके, वेरी गुड. Concentrate also. In spite of only writing yes, you can also concentrate. Thank you. So the next thing, what we are going to do here, in our example, it says now font is Times New Roman. It says that now we are supposed to apply a font that is Times New Roman. So what we can do here, we can again select this option, click here in the different fonts option, and we can simply select this option that is a Times New Roman. Now, very good. Now it's happening here. And now what we can do, as per the information they say, is green in color. So जो हमें बोलते जाएंगे ना, we can do this thing. Sir, please tell me what is the page number of this page. Beta, page number is 21, chapter number is 1, and in the lab activity we are doing. So thank you very much, Navdeep ji. Next thing it says that click here, and this is the option. मेरे बेटा एक एक चीज को ध्यान से सुनिएगा, and I assume that you all are supposed to send me this formatting. आप सब लोग अपने अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स पे करके कवलजीत सर को ये रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. आई थिंक सो that you are going to do this thing. I'm just going to click here on this font option, and as per the instructions, I'm selecting a color that is a green. And if we feel later on that we are supposed to change the color, so no issues, we can change. This is the part of practical. So after that, because it is not looking very fine here in left side, so here it is a paragraph, and we having a 4 different types of alignment. We can simply click here on a center. मेरे बच्चों, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, ये ध्यान से सुन लीजिएगा. When we move the pointer towards a center, it says the shortcut key for center is Control plus E. अब मैं क्या पूछूंगा ये बाद में बताऊंगा, पर मैंने अभी शॉर्टकट बता दिया. I have just simply click here, and what it makes sense now, the things will be happen that we have applied 3 or 4 things here on that particular title. Sir, हो गया. Sir, यहाँ तक हो गया. ठीक है. Now what happened, my dear respected students? Now what happened here? Next thing, in a point number 2, it says apply green shade to the heading. Sir, मेरे को नहीं आता. अरे क्यों नहीं आता भाई तुझे? I'm just going to select it as a bio sketch here, and we just move the pointer here. So no, sir, this is not the correct one. This is a text highlighter. Okay. So we can move here. Yes, sir. This is a perfect one. And this says, in second point, it says, apply green shade to the heading. यार green apply करना थोड़ा awkward नहीं हो जाएगा? Because we have selected the font color as well as green. Now the content is not appearing here. So what we can do, we can simply select the text here, and in spite of applying a green color, can we apply a white color? Because it looks great here. यहाँ तक सबको clear है? एक बार मुझे yes or no में answer कर दीजिए. If the things will be clear. Very good, very good, very good, very good. और ये मुझे तब पता लगेगा कि ये clear है कि नहीं, when you are supposed to do this thing practically and give me or submit me this kind of practical assignment. This is not mandatory, but this is a part of your syllabus. With the help of that, you can revise the content. Okay? Very good. Thank you very much, Anmol. Thank you, Navdeep, and many more. Okay. Now, next thing. Kindly concentrate. अच्छा यार बताना यार कहाँ पे थे, कौन से पॉइंट पे थे, एक बार बताना कौन से पॉइंट पे थे, मैं भूल गया. फर्स्ट पे थे, सेकंड पे थे कि थर्ड पे थे? अब थर्ड स्टार्ट करना है कि सेकंड करना है? जल्दी से बताइएगा जरा. अरे वाह, मैं ये क्यों पूछ रहा हूं? आई जस्ट वांट टू चेक द कंसंट्रेशन लेवल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, दैट many of the students are typing 3, only 1 or 2 are typing 2. So this is representing that those who are typing 2, they are not concentrating. They are not concentrating. And those who are typing 3rd, it means they are concentrating on the concept which is discussed in this class. Thank you very much. Thank you, beta. Now, third point says that the text is 12 points. So it makes sense that now we are going to select this entire text here. Okay, sir, done. So this is the shorter way. I'm not going to apply this with here from here. I'm just going to click here and select the point number 12. Okay, sir. Sir, fine. Now, next is font is the Calibri. Calibri, we are supposed to apply it here. And what we can do here, we simply click here. Sir, the same will be applied, I think so. Okay, no issues. We can apply this Calibri. Okay, sir. Sir, fine. Thank you very much. Now, next thing it says, red in color. So what we can do again, we just click here on a font color, select it like this, and click on the color that is a red now. And what happened here? The red color is supposed to be applied and displayed here. Till now we have done with the 3 points. Can anybody tell me if you are facing any problem? Any problems? If you are facing any kind of problem here, then you can type no. Okay, students are typing no, 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 no. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. No problem, sir. Thank you very much, dear students. Now kindly concentrate here. Again, I am selecting here, selecting this thing. And now I think so. We have begun with, अब कौन से पॉइंट पे हूं बताना जरा, अब कौन से पॉइंट पे जाना है बताइएगा जरा एक बार चैट बॉक्स में. अरे वाह, अब देखो, अब मुझे अभी तक किसी का गलत आंसर नहीं आया. कितने लोगों का आंसर आ चुका है? अब मैंने बोला भी नहीं पॉइंट, अभी तक मैंने डिक्टेट नहीं किया है. यस यस, this is the kind of concentration we required, that we are here on the point number 4. Thank you very much, thank you. We select this and all the text should be left aligned. पर मैं ना आपको एक बात बताऊं, ये देखिए अब हमने यहाँ पे जब पॉइंटर लेके गए पैराग्राफ में, दिस इज अ लेफ्ट अलाइंड, this is a left aligned, but it not looks very good. Why so? Sir, from this side it looks fine, but from this side here, right hand side, the text, some text is forward, piche, aage, piche, so it not look very good. So it's my suggestion that in spite of selecting it as a left align, but यहाँ पे लिख लेना एक बार. ये देखिए जरा शॉर्टकट की चेक कर लीजिए, कंट्रोल प्लस एल. Control plus L is the shortcut key for left align. And when we talk about last kind of alignment, that is a justified, एक बार चेक कर लेना, लिखते जाना, मैंने अभी क्वेश्चन पूछने शुरू करने हैं. This is a justify alignment, and when we click on that, now it looks very fine here because the content is being adjusted on both the ends, whether it is a left और whether it is a right. So अभी तक मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ठीक है, now we can just begin with point number 5. The line spacing should be 1.5. सर मेरे टीचर ने मुझे बताया था, गाइड किया था, that we can select this and what we can do, we just move towards a line spacing here, line and paragraph spacing, and we can simply select 1.5. सर मेरे टीचर ने ना एक और चीज बताई थी, मैं अंडू कर रहा हूं उसको, अंडू का मतलब रिवर्स कर रहा हूं अपने एक्शन को. सर मेरे टीचर ने ना एक शॉर्टकट बताया था यार, वो 1.5 का. कोई चैट बॉक्स में टाइप कर सकता है 1.5 लाइन स्पेसिंग के लिए शॉर्टकट क्या था? अरे 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 अरे, जल्दी से जल्दी से जल्दी से अगर कोई कर सकता है तो. हम लोगों ने किया है, अब याद नहीं है तो वो पता नहीं. दैट इज कंट्रोल. अरे नहीं 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 करमान, कंट्रोल प्लस आई नहीं है, या 1 लिखा है आपने वो भी नहीं है. वेरी गुड, दिस इज ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, नो इश्यूज विद दैट, नो इश्यूज. अरे वाह मानवी जी, थैंक यू. कंट्रोल प्लस एफ, कंट्रोल प्लस 5. अंशप्रीत कंट्रोल प्लस 5. अरे वाह, ग्रेट, थैंक यू. So what we can do here, we select it and press control and hold the control key and then type the 5 here. So it makes sense that now this is a line spacing that is 1.5. ये line spacing आ गई 1.5. Okay. यहां तक हो गया हमारा 5th पॉइंट तक. अब 6th पे चलते हैं. अब मैंने क्या किया, what I am going to do, because they are talking about a different paragraph. So can we just hit enter and make multiple paragraphs here? No issues with that. I'm just going to hit and make it like this. Okay, मैंने इसको ऐसे कर दिया और अब ये पैराग्राफ्स में, पैराग्राफ्स की फॉर्म में आ गया. 6th point says, my dear respected students, it says form a border enclosing the first paragraph. So what we can do here, this is our first paragraph, and what we can do here, this is a border here. We can click here and select the option that is a outside border. Outside border. What we can click on an outside border, and the border is being applied on the first paragraph only. पहले पैराग्राफ के अंदर जो है बॉर्डर हमें अप्लाई हो गया. मेरे बच्चों को मेरी बात समझ आ रही है? यस और नो में आंसर कीजिए फटाफट फटाफट फटाफट. यस और नो, यस और नो. अरे वाह 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 वाह, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. सब लोग कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू. ओके, now we just begin with 7th point here, dear students. They just talk about give a light blue color to all the pages in the document. अब कहता लाइट, जो आपका लाइट ब्लू कलर है ना, अब वो पेजेस पे अप्लाई कर दीजिए. सर कैसे करूं? सर मुझे नहीं आता. सर बता दो ना प्लीज. अच्छा, आप मुझे बताएंगे that we have done with this thing, that how we are supposed to apply page color to a particular page here. So can you please tell me that how we can do it? Anyone? First of all, we are just going to click on this option, then that option. और मैं आपको टैब का क्लू दे देता हूँ, हिंट दे देता हूँ. It begins from a D for Delhi. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. I am expecting yes sir. Yes sir नहीं भाई, yes sir तो कोई मेन्यू नहीं है यहाँ पे. No टैब. अरे वाह, आस्तिक जी is typing that design. Thank you very much. We can simply click here on a design tab here. After that, there is a group here which is to be called as page background, my dear respected students. And what we can do here, we can simply click on an option that is a page color. And what they do, they just tell me that kindly apply a light blue color. So can we just apply this one, which is fine, I think so. We have applied that this is a light blue color in the document. The light blue color is going to be appear on the document. Okay. Otherwise, अगर आपको ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा ना, if it's not looking very nice here, so what you can do, click on a more colors option, standard option. This is my personal favorite. This is looking great here. So now it's look good. I think so. It's look fine than before. So what we can do here, okay. Now the next thing I just want to, Arey wah, Kritika ji is saying now, sir, we begin with the 8th point. Arey wah, thank you. Add page number. अच्छा अब मुझे add page number वाला बताओ कोई, that we have to click on which option for inserting a page number. ये हम लोगों ने किया हुआ है. Very good, very good, very good, very good. हमारे कंट्री का फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट आता है उसमें. हाँ मौलिक गुप्ता जी आर सेइंग ग्रेट, दैट इज फुटर, बट मैं टैब की बात कर रहा हूं. आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट विच इज द टैब. ओके आस्तिक जी अगेन, थैंक यू. Ore wow, Manpreet ji, thank you very much. So we have to click on insert here, and what we can do, respected students, here it is the option that we have just moved towards a header and footers. अच्छा आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बताना, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, अभी शुरू नहीं किए मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछने, सिर्फ वैसे ही मेरे मन में आया. The information which is displayed on the top of your page is called as, very good, type in a chat box. Areva, header, thank you. And the information which is there on the bottom of your page is to be called as a footer. Very good, thank you, God bless you. So what we can do here for inserting a page number, dear students, we can simply click here on a page number, and these are the multiple options, that is top of the page, bottom of the page. So what we can do and what we can select here, that as per directions, I'm just going to add on the bottom because I think so it looks great on the bottom itself. So we can select this ascent bar 1 option. We can click here and it says, yet this is a page number 1. And for coming out from this, I'm just going to click here on a close header and footer option. And hopefully the page number is going to be appeared on the bottom of this page. Yes. Now onward, we have done with that particular. Now the last option, the first of every paragraph should be intended. मेरे को लगता है कि वो लाइन लिखना चाहता था शायद. The first line of every paragraph should be intended. So मैंने क्या किया, I am just going to click here. और मेरे को कंवलजीत सर ने बताया था कि ये देखिए, ये टॉप पे जो है ये है फर्स्ट लाइन इंडेंट. ये जो नीचे है, this is to be called as a hanging indent. This ये bottom पे जो है, that is a left indent. और जो यहाँ पे है, this is to be called as a right indent. So मैंने क्या किया, I am just going to move towards a first line indent here. Hold down and drag it towards the forward direction. Yes, I am adjusting it like this. And again, there is a first line indent. I am just adjusting this thing. Again, clicking here. Again, this is a first line indent, dear students. I have just selected this and adjusted this. So this is the great way that we have done. We have done with this activity. And what we have learned here, kindly concentrate. Now I am asking questions here. Kindly concentrate. I have just inserted a table here. मैं एक table यहाँ पे वैसे ही insert कर रहा हूँ. So हमने यहाँ पे shortcut keys के बारे में पहले बात करेंगे. Shortcut keys. मैं आपसे पूछता जाऊंगा और आप मुझे आंसर देते जाएंगे. You are just going to give me the answer. Shortcut keys. Okay, great. Number 1. अब मैं चैट बॉक्स में मैं पूछ रहा हूं आपसे, आप चैट बॉक्स में आंसर कीजिएगा. वेरी गुड. सबसे पहले कंवलजीत सर पूछ रहे हैं द शॉर्टकट की टू अलाइन टेक्स्ट टुवर्ड्स जस्टिफाई. जस्टिफाई अगर अलाइन करना है हमें टेक्स्ट को, अलाइन जस्टिफाई. तो उसका शॉर्टकट क्या होगा? अरे वाह, एक ने गलत लिखा है सिर्फ, कंट्रोल प्लस आई, as many of our students are writing it as control plus J. This is the perfect answer. Very good. Thank you. Second, it says, second, my question is there because now I just going to analyze that whether you are getting my points or not. This is my duty. So next it says, okay, so what we are going to do, if we want to apply a line spacing that is 1.5, I'm just going to mention line spacing that is 1.5. So what will be the shortcut for that? Arre वाह, students are writing control plus 5. यार ये अक्षरा ने पता नहीं किसने F लिख दिया, नहीं, that's by mistake, I think so. That's they have done by mistake. No issues with that. But actually सात्विक जी control plus I नहीं है, control plus 5. Very good. Thank you. Third, it says, yes, when we talk about center align, CENTERALIGN, center align, what will be the shortcut? Very good. For center align, arre vaah, Shreyan Gupta ji, arre vaah, that is control plus E. वाह, मजा आ गया यार. ओके, अच्छा अब मैं पूछता हूं, एक और पूछता हूं, शॉर्टकट की फॉर अलाइनिंग टेक्स्ट टुवर्ड राइट साइड. मैं लिखा अलाइन राइट, RIGST. वेरी गुड. अब बोलिएगा शॉर्टकट. अरे वाह यार, मैं क्वेश्चन बाद में पूछता हूं, आंसर पहले आ जाते हैं. कंट्रोल प्लस R. वेरी गुड. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. And what we have learned today, we are just going to learn that how we can integrate things, here. Thank you very much for your kind responses. And integration between a different subjects is very, 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 very important here. My dear respected colleagues, always remember this thing, that each and every subject is very, very important in your life. So this is the integration. This is the integration between English and a computer. And thanks to your English teacher, Dipali Suji, for providing me such information. Thank you very much. And now, next thing, what we are begin with. Very good. अब एक जल्दी से एक चीज देखिएगा, ये कुछ बच्चे ने एक मेरे को टाइप कर दीजिएगा, आप टाइप कर दीजिएगा. थैंक यू सर. अरे थैंक यू की क्या बात है यार, why you are saying this thing. Okay, now we just move towards chapter number 7. अब मैं आपका टेस्ट लेने वाला हूं आज. मुझे थोड़ा सा आपको गाइड करना पड़ेगा रिगार्डिंग चैप्टर नंबर 7. सर why you are saying this word? Because when I checked your notebooks, some students are not using the perfect shapes which is being required for a drawing of flow charts, and there is some they are also committing some kind of mistakes which is there in a algorithm. So can you please I just give you a 10 seconds for opening a page number 121. I have just mentioned here also page, I just mentioned here page number 121, and here it is chapter number 7. We are begin with. जल्दी से एक बार जरा ओपन कर लीजिए. और जिन लोगों ने ओपन कर लिया है, कैन यू प्लीज टाइप yes in a chat box. Sir, yes, I have done with that. Very good. I am just reducing it towards a one line spacing. Yes, great. And now this is the left one. अरे वाह, ये क्या है मैसेज आया था एक बड़ा अच्छा सा, पता नहीं कहाँ चला जाता है, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आता. चलो, no problem with that. Okay, open sir. Thank you. अरे छोड़ो, कोई बात नहीं यार, आप चिंता मत करो. You just concentrate on your content. You all are very good students. Thank you very much. Okay. So now one by one, I just going to ask some questions to you all. So can you please open page number, as you have opened page number 121. This is in the lab activity, and we have just begin with section A here, and this is the section A. I'm just going to hit that enter here, and we can type it a 1 here. 1. We just begin with a first one. What it says to find the area of a rectangular. rectangle. So can you please type, just type in a chat box that have you any idea about the formula of finding the area of rectangle? Very good, very good, very good, very good. अरे वाह, सबसे पहले लिखा है आस्तिक जी ने सर L into B. आई हैव गॉट, मुझे ये नहीं पता कि उसने लिखा है सबसे पहले मेरे बच्चे ने, बाकी बहुत सारे लोग लिख रहे हैं सर डिड नॉट रिमेंबर L into B है यार, घबराओ मत, चिंता मत करो. ओके, so if such kind of questions are there, thank you very much for your responses. Pranay Gaba ji, L into B into H nahi hai, L into B hai beta. So what we are going to do here, it says that when we talk about this question, so what we can do here, that we have an idea. This is a hint. Kindly concentrate beta. I have mentioning it as a hint here. Hint that the hint will be L into B, that it makes sense that length into breadth. So what we can do now, just type in a chat box one by one, and it's my humble request that all are supposed to be participating in this practical session. So now just begin with the answer, typing answer here, and what we are going to do here, we are selecting a different color for this, as there is a difference in between this. So first of all, when we talk about step number 1, मेरे को नहीं पता यार कि एल्गोरिदम में सबसे पहले क्या लिखते हैं, मुझे नितिश ने बताया है, मुझे मानवी ने बताया है टर्मिनल बॉक्स. मानवी, अभी हम एल्गोरिदम लिख रहे हैं मेरा बच्चा. So this is a START, start. Very good. Now we are just going to hit the enter key here. Now there is a step number 2. अच्छा, अब मुझे सिंपल सी बात सोचना, अब मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे दो चीजें चाहिए. Manvi, again I am saying I am not talking about a flow chart beta ji, I am just talking about the algorithm. So मेरा बेटा एरो की अभी बारी नहीं आई, एरो की बारी आएगी, मेरा बच्चा आएगी, जरूर आएगी मेरा बेटा. So what we can do here, we just select this thing and we can do it like this. कैसे करूं अब स्टेप 2 में? अब मेरे को एक वैसे हिंदी में मेरे माइंड में एक चीज आ रही है कि यार अब ना मुझे लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, है ना, मुझे इनपुट करवाना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट वी कैन टाइप हियर, इनपुट लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ. ओके, वी कैन टाइप इट लाइक दिस. ठीक है, वी कैन लाइक, ओके कृतिका, थैंक यू वेरी मच. वी कैन टाइप इट लाइक input L into B in a flow chart. Here we can simply use it as in a shorter way here, in a simple English language. So what we can do, we hit it like this and we type it like now we having a step number 3. यार अब मुझे बताओ, स्टेप नंबर पहले में हमने स्टार्ट कर लिया, दूसरे में हमने इनपुट लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ करवा ली, अब थर्ड में क्या करेंगे? Astik ji is typing that we are going to multiply this thing. Astik ji, we can simply write it like this. Multiply क्या करूं? Here it is. We can simply copy and paste this one. Copy and paste and की जगह पे कर दूंगा with. Simple बिल्कुल. We can simply type multiply length with breadth. Very good, very good. Many students are responding in a chat box. Thank you. Now step number 4. अच्छा, आप मुझे चैट बॉक्स में बताओ, अब मैंने स्टार्ट भी कर लिया, इनपुट भी करवा लिया, मल्टीप्लाई भी कर लिया, अब क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लाई के बाद मेरे पास क्या आ जाएगा? मेरे पास क्या आएगा? स्टेप नंबर 4. अरे वाह, सम स्टूडेंट्स आर राइटिंग सर प्रिंट एरिया, या हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, नो इश्यूज विद दैट. हम सिंपल लिख सकते हैं प्रिंट एरिया ऑफ, here it is, area of rectangle, that is area of rectangle. सर बिल्कुल ठीक है. अच्छा, अब ये बिल्कुल कंफ्यूजन अपने माइंड में मत रखना कि if you have not typed the same thing which is there on the screen, so marks is not supposed to be given to you. It's not like that. It's not like that, dear students. So now what happened? Now the next step. अब मेरा सब कुछ हो गया, प्रिंट एरिया, मुझे एरिया मिल गया. अरे वाह, थैंक यू वेरी मच सर. लास्ट स्टेप इज स्टॉप. So can you please type it like this? Step, here it is 5, and now what we can do, we can simply type it like stop. So this is the actual way that how we can type how we can do it like algorithm. Can I test you one more time? Please students, can you please allow me to test you all? Yes, I just want to test you all. Type yes or no in a chat box. Very good, jaldi. अरे वाह, मजा आ गया। अब नेक्स्ट देखिएगा, नेक्स्ट देखिए, आई जस्ट गोइंग टू मूव टुवर्ड्स direction here, and now there is can I just copy this for making my work easier here? And now what we can do here, in spite of writing 1 here, so can we type here 2 to find the, अब हमने क्या लिखना है, अब हमने लिखना है perimeter of a square, to find the perimeter perimeter of a square। तो अब हिंट मुझे लगता है ln to b तो नहीं रहेगा यार, हिंट क्या होगा प्लीज? ई ई ई ई ई का मतलब क्या हुआ? ई। अरे वाह आस्तिक यार, थोड़ा सा बढ़िया इंसान लग रहा है मुझे। आस्तिक ने लिखा साइड 4 इंटू साइड, आस्तिक ने लिखा था शायद, है ना, साइड इंटू 4। ओके ओके, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड मेरे बच्चों। अब इसका एग्जैक्ट क्या है पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर? आई थिंक सो, थैंक यू वेरी मच अक्षरा, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। दैट इज आई थिंक सो वी आर सपोज टू मेंशन इट इज लाइक 4 into side। मतलब we talk about a square and we just talk about that square having how many sides, that is a 4, and then we are just going to multiply it with the side। Yes, thank you very much Shreyan ji, Gurpreet Singh ji, thank you। So what we can do here, step 1 तो मैंने लिख लिया, अब तुम लोग चैट बॉक्स में टाइप करना स्टार्ट करो। स्टेप 2, अब मैं नहीं लिखूंगा, पहले तुम लिखोगे। फर्स्ट इज स्टेप 1 स्टार्ट। अब सेकंड क्या आएगा? क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? इनपुट क्या करवाना है? इनपुट क्या करवाना है? टाइप इन चैट बॉक्स इनपुट साइड। वेरी गुड, बिल्कुल आराम से लिखना हमने। नहीं कृतिका, अभी ये मल्टीप्लाई वाला नहीं करना बेटा, अभी सिंपल लिख दिया हम लोगों ने। क्या लिखा? इनपुट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइड। ये आप सिंपल इनपुट साइड भी लिख सकते हो, इनपुट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइड भी लिख सकते हो। अब स्टेप नंबर आया, मेरे साथ साथ चलना जरा, स्टेप नंबर आया 3। अब मुझे बताओ स्टेप नंबर 3 में क्या आएगा? व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट इज मल्टीप्लाई साइड विद 4। अरे वाह मजा आ गया, क्लैपिंग क्लैपिंग। अगर आवाज आ रही हो तो मैं यहाँ पे ऐसे 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 क्लैपिंग कर रहा हूँ सबके लिए। So what it makes sense that now what we are going to do, we just multiply side by 4। मैंने इसको साइड को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 कर दिया। सर बिल्कुल ठीक किया आपने। सर अब स्टेप नंबर 4 क्या होगा? स्टेप नंबर 4, व्हाट विल बी द स्टेप नंबर 4 हियर? जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, अभी मुझे मल्टीप्लाई 4 बाय साइड ही आ रहा है। अब सर दिस इज वेरी सिंपल। यस इट्स वेरी सिंपल बेटा, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। प्रिंट पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर। अरे वाह क्या बात है यार, ग्रेट। प्रिंट, और मैंने क्या लिखा? पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर। स्क्वायर, अरे वाह। अब मैंने यहां लिखा पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर हियर एंड देयर इज अ फुल स्टॉप। अब लास्ट वाला तो सबको आता है, अब लास्ट वाला सबको आता है। आप देखो सब जल्दी जल्दी आने लग पड़े। स्टेप नंबर दैट इज अ 5 एंड इट सेज यस दिस इज अ stop here, this is a thing which we are discussing here and this is a stop। So hopefully this thing is very much clear here। Thank you very much, thank you Saksham ji, thank you। Sir, can I complete this activity in my computer and send the pic on your WhatsApp number? Beta, it's my humble request that you can do this like this in a Word document. You can do it. Even you can also write in your notebooks as well. Because when you are doing things in a curiosity and if you are interested in different things, then you never feel a burden of that thing. But and if otherwise I'm instructing you that write this in your notebook, so many of you are not writing. But if you want that particular thing and you have a curiosity for the same and you have the positiveness for the same, so you by sure you can write these in your notebooks and you can also do the practical as well। So can we just begin with flowcharts now? Can we just begin? Can we just begin? Yes or no कर दो यार, ऐसे मत करो, yes or no कर दीजिए। Can we begin with a flowchart now? Yes, thank you। अब देखना, मैं अभी चैट बॉक्स में मुझे पता लग जाएगा कि कौन लोग हमारा ध्यान से हमको देख रहे हैं और कौन से लोग नहीं देख रहे। अब मैंने क्या किया, insert here and this is a text box। I have just inserting one text box here and what we can do here, we can just select it like this and make it little bit bigger here for drawing that particular flow chart, because I just want to draw this in here itself. So what we can do here, we can just delete this particular, okay, if we don't require a white color here. So what we can do, we can click on a no fill. Okay, so what we can do here, start. अब जरा चैट बॉक्स में साथ के साथ बताते जाइए, साथ के साथ चैट बॉक्स में बताते जाइएगा कि अगर अब कंवलजीत सर बात कर रहे हैं स्टार्ट की, तो स्टार्ट के केस में क्या आना चाहिए ये बताते जाइए प्लीज। स्टार्ट के केस में कौन सी शेप ले रहे हो भाई तुम लोग? वेरी गुड। स्टार्ट के केस में कौन सी शेप ले रहे हैं? अरे वाह, दैट इज अ टर्मिनल बॉक्स। सो वी कैन सिंपली क्लिक हियर ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन, दिस इज अ फ्लो चार्ट। और बेटा मेरे को थोड़ा सा ऑकवर्ड लगा जब बच्चों ने, कुछ लोगों ने मुझे भेजा ना, तो वो कुछ अच्छा नहीं भेजा, मतलब किसी ने अपनी मर्जी से ड्रॉ किया हुआ था सिंबल्स को। सो इट्स नॉट लुकिंग वेरी परफेक्ट हियर। So if you want to apply the color, you can apply color. I like this color, so I am just going to apply this one. This is a no, and now we can quickly type it as I'm not just going to START. मैं अब font size नहीं increase कर रहा, I'm just going to do it quickly. So what we can do, this is next thing that we are going to do it like this. This is a flow line, and what we are going to do, we are just selecting it like this. Okay, अब देखना नेक्स्ट हमने लिखा था इनपुट लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ, अब कौन सी आएगा? अरे वाह अक्षरा, थैंक यू। इनपुट एंड आउटपुट बॉक्स, सो वी कैन क्लिक हियर, वी कैन जस्ट सेलेक्ट इट लाइक दिस, वी कैन जस्ट सेलेक्ट इट लाइक दिस हियर, एंड in a shorter node, what I am going to do here, I am just selecting like this, right clicking here, add text, and typing input L and B. This is the shorter way that I am going to do. You can also do it such a way, in this way also, no issues with that. And here it is again, what we required a flow line. We just drag it towards a downside. Yes, this is great. And now again, next step says multiply length with breadth. बेटा symbol आ रहा है multiplication का, कौन सा बॉक्स चाहिए? सोनम, वेरी गुड। सबसे पहले सोनम ने बताया कि सर we required a process box. Thank you, Sonam. We are just going to select it like this. Draw this shape here. Many others are also saying, very good. Thank you. So we can do it like this. We can